Thailand travel guide. Here is everything you need to know. Thailand is a land of breathtaking beaches, bustling cities, rich culture, and mouth-watering food. It's a country that offers something for every traveler, from luxury seekers to budget backpackers. Whether you're here to explore ancient temples, relax on white sand beaches, or indulge in Thai street food, this guide will take you through the must-visit spots and a few hidden gems that make Thailand unforgettable. Start your journey in Bangkok, the vibrant capital and a city that never sleeps. Visit the Grand Palace, the former home of Thai kings and a masterpiece of architecture. Nearby, you'll find Wat Pho, famous for its giant reclining Buddha and traditional Thai massage school. For a more modern vibe, head to the Chatakak Market, one of the largest markets in the world, where you can shop for everything from handmade crafts to delicious street food. Don't forget to take a sunset cruise along the Chao Phraya River for stunning views of the city's skyline. Next, head north to Chiang Mai, the cultural heart of Thailand. Explore its old city walls and discover over 300 temples, including Wat Phra Singh and the stunning Wat Doi Suphat, perched on a mountain with panoramic views of the city. Chiang Mai is also a gateway to outdoor adventures. Try trekking through lush jungles or visiting an ethical elephant sanctuary to learn about and interact with these magnificent creatures. If you love the beach, Thailand's islands are world famous for their beauty. Start with Phuket, the largest island and a hub for luxury resorts, lively nightlife, and gorgeous beaches like Patong and Kata Beach. For a more laid-back vibe, head to Koh Samui, known for its palm-fringed beaches, luxury spas, and vibrant nightlife. And if you're an adventure seeker, Krabi is a must-visit for its dramatic limestone cliffs, emerald waters, and activities like rock climbing and snorkeling. Looking for a hidden gem? Visit Koh Lipe, often called the Maldives of Thailand. This small island boasts pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Or explore Pai, a quaint town in northern Thailand surrounded by mountains and hot springs. It's a favorite among backpackers for its bohemian vibe and breathtaking landscapes. Thailand is also home to bustling floating markets that give you a glimpse of traditional Thai life. Visit Dam Nong, Satluck floating market near Bangkok, where vendors sell fresh produce, snacks, and handmade goods from boats. It's a unique and colorful experience you won't forget. Now let's talk food. Thailand is a paradise for food lovers. Sample classics like Pad Thai, Tom Yum Goong spicy shrimp soup, and green curry at local eateries. Don't miss the street food scene in Bangkok's Yaowarat Road, also known as Chinatown, where you can try everything from mango sticky rice to grilled seafood. And if you're feeling adventurous, try fried insects, a surprisingly popular snack. Thailand also offers stunning cultural experiences. Visit during the Songkran Festival in April to experience the world's largest water fight, celebrating the Thai New Year. Or plan your trip around the Loy Krathong Festival, where thousands of lanterns are released into the sky, creating a magical, unforgettable scene. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil islands of the Andaman Sea, Thailand is a destination that truly has it all. Whether you're here to explore temples, indulge in the cuisine, or relax on sun-soaked beaches, Thailand will capture your heart. Which of these places are you adding to your travel list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!